Alright guys, check this out, the Keychron C1 Pro. This keyboard has been making some waves, and I finally got my hands on one to see what the hype is all about. First impressions? Solid build, compact TKL design. Perfect if you're tight on desk space like me. But it's not just about looks. This thing is packed with features you usually find on much pricier boards. Let's talk switches. This one comes with Keychron's own K Pro Red switches, which are linear and feel pretty smooth. But the real magic here is that it's hot swappable. So if you decide you want a different feel, you can just pop these out and put in whatever switches your heart desires. No soldering required. Huge win for customization. And speaking of customization, this bad boy is fully QMK and VIA compatible. That means you can reprogram literally every single key, create custom macros, and even mess around with the RGB lighting. The software is super easy to use, even if you're new to all this. Plus, it works with Mac, Windows, and Linux, so no compatibility worries there. The keycaps are another highlight. Double-shot PBT, which means the legends won't fade, and they've got a nice textured feel. Their OEM profile, which is pretty standard and comfortable for most people. And the south-facing RGB lighting shines through beautifully. It's bright and vibrant, but not overly distracting. Now for the typing experience. It's really solid. The stabilizers are decent, so there's minimal rattle on the larger keys. The typing angle is adjustable, so you can find what's most comfortable for you. And the overall build quality feels really premium for the price. Is it perfect? Well, no. It's wired only, which might be a deal breaker for some. And while the K Pro Reds are decent, they're not the absolute best switches out there. But honestly, for the price, the Keychron C1 Pro is an absolute steal. You're getting a ton of features, great customization options, and a solid typing experience. If you're looking for a budget-friendly custom mechanical keyboard, this one is definitely worth checking out. It's a fantastic entry point into the world of custom keyboards without breaking the bank. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.